What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. And you guys already know last year they took down the MT4 app on all platforms, so we couldn't download it or trade mobilely if you didn't already have the app installed into your device. But now, guys, we have a whole new movement going on where a lot of people are starting to use bots or expert advisors, whatever you want to call it, to trade for them. Okay, guys, so I know a lot of people want to get back into trading, but they don't even know how to now that the app is not on any platforms, right? So we can still use MT4 on our PCs, our laptops to trade. Okay, guys, so I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to do that, how to work the MT4 on your computer or laptop, so you guys can still get to this bag on these charts. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get MT4 on your computer or PC on the Mac and Windows. And I'm also going to show you guys how to install an expert advisor or bot onto your MT4 so that you can start making profits automatically. Depending on what type of computer or laptop you're going to be using your MT4 on, you're going to need a VPS, especially if you have a Mac that you're using it on. What your VPS is going to do is going to allow your bot or expert advisor to trade while your computer or laptop is off. So for Mac users out there, I'm going to show you guys exactly what VPS I use and how to install it on the Mac so that you guys can even download your MT4 app on your Mac. And if you guys have a Windows computer or laptop, just skip to that section of the video so that you guys can get started installing your bots. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get to the bag. Okay, guys, so I know I have a lot of stuff on my laptop. Just never mind that real quick, guys. We're going to get into the tutorial. This is the Mac iOS tutorial. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to need is a VPS. So you want to go to your VPS website, which is going to be this. Well, you can really choose any VPS, but this is the VPS that I decided to go with. They have different VPS plans here, okay, starting with $36 a month. Honestly, if you're just using the bot for yourself, all you need is the $36 a month. These different plans are just based on how much, users are going to be using the EA while, you're offline and stuff like that, or if you're high frequency trading. But all you guys are going to need is the basic, to be honest. Okay, so once you go ahead and you purchase your basic membership, they're going to send you an email with your login and your password. Here's the email. It's going to look like this, and it's going to have your username and your password there. That is the username and password that you're going to log in to once you click this link right here and you download your RPD link. So click the link. I'm going to do it all in front of you. So my downloads. Okay, so first what you want to do is you're going to want to download the Microsoft Remote Desktop on your Mac. Okay, so let's go ahead and download that because that's the only way that we can get our VPS on our Mac working. So let's go ahead and download the Microsoft Remote Desktop on your Mac. Okay, so here it is. It's on the App Store. So let's go ahead and download that real quick. Authorize that. Okay, once it is open, you want to go back to that download file that you got, okay, from your email. So that's this RDP file. You want to go ahead and click on that file, and now it's able to open. And what you want to do is you want to paste your password in there. Okay, so once your password is pasted, it says you are connected to RPD post. You are connecting to RPD host. Blah blah blah. Okay, can't be verified. Just continue. Okay. Paste again. Let's see if I got the right password. Make sure I got the right password here. I mean, I might have had the wrong thing copied just now. Make sure you got your password copied. Okay, go back to the download file, paste it. Yep, that's probably the password right there. Continue. And here we go. We are in our other server. and I'm already connected to everything that is actually on my Windows computer already. So now you have to go ahead and download your files. So now this is where you want all your broker apps on. This is where you want your MT4 app on. This is where you want everything on. So you want to go ahead, you can use this browser or you can use the other browser. Okay guys, so first thing that you want to do is you want to download your MT4 app. Okay, now to download the MT4 app, you can't just go to the MetaTrader 4 website anymore and just download it from there, because for some reason every time you try to download it, it just makes you download the MT5 application. So what you need to do to get the MT4 on your PC is you have to go to the broker that you decide to use. Okay, so for you that may be FXWay. Here it goes, FXWay MT4 download. It's the same way I'm searching up the MT4 download for this broker. You would just put your broker right there in the search bar and then type up MT4 download and it'll pop up. Okay guys, so right here, MT4 with FXWay, and it's gonna send you the direct link just to download it. Okay, so right here, we're gonna download the Windows version and then it's gonna pop up. Okay, and all you're gonna do is just run it once it's done downloading. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, just click next. It's that simple. You just go to the broker that you're using and you download the MT4 app through the website. Okay guys, so once it's finished, it'll be on your desktop. You guys can see I have it right here, it just popped up. All right, and it's going to have FXWay demo, FXWay live, whatever. Okay, if you have a demo already created on the website or a live already created, then you can just sign into it. You would just go to existing trade account, or you can go ahead and create a new demo account. Okay guys, so now we are here. You guys can see the currencies are here, your USD, GBP USD, USD Chef. Okay, these are just the default currencies that pop up when you first start your MT4 app. Okay guys, so I know that this can be confusing, especially if this is your first time even seeing this, even using the MT4 app on the PC. But that's why the next couple of videos we're going to go through this. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use this, and you guys are going to be masters at this. It just takes time playing around with everything and just getting used to. Okay guys, so for now I'm just going to show you the simple ways to install a bot. Okay guys, so if you want to use a bot trading, this is the tutorial showing you how to install the bot. Other things that you can do on this MT4 app will be in different videos. So let's get into it. On the left, you can see right here, we have expert advisors. When you click plus, we have the MACD sample, moving average. That's the default advisors that they give you when you start up any MT4 app. Okay, so expert advisors are right there, right here. We have our auto trading. It has the stop sign right there, right? The pause sign. When you click on it, right, it turns into a green play sign. That means that auto trading is turned on. Okay guys, for auto trading to even work, you want to make sure that you go to your tools and then you go to options, right? And then you want to go to expert advisors. You want to make sure that allow automated trading is on, right? Allow DLL imports is on. Okay, and once you have that, you can press OK. All right, so now once we install our bot or expert advisor into the MT4, we should have no problems with it actually trading. Okay guys, so how do we install the bot? Let's get into it. Okay guys, so as you guys know, I create my own bots and I offer them to my team. As you guys know, I also offer my own bots. I create my own bots. So right here is one of the bots that I offer in my academy. It's called the Skittles EA, and it's an easy install. All you have to do is get the EX4 file. You do not open it, because if you click on it, it's gonna look like this, a whole bunch of coding gibberish. What you wanna do is you want to copy it, right? You wanna right click, copy the file, copy the EX4 file, right? And once you copy it, what you wanna do is you wanna go back to your MT4 app and you want to go to File. Once you have Once you're at file, you want to go to this open data folder. Get used to it because this is a place you're going to be going to almost every day, because this is how you install your bots. This is how you install templates. This is how you manage your set files and everything. So open data folder. Once you're there, you're going to see configure history logs, MQL4. What you want to do for the bots is you want to click MQL4 and you want to click experts. If you guys do not know by now, the real word for bots is expert advisors. All right, expert advisors. So here are your experts, and you see right here we have the MACD sample, moving average. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this because I know I'm not gonna be using this. And what we're gonna want to do is just basically paste it. You just want to paste our ex4 file in this folder, right? MQL experts, paste, and then after that you want to close. And then all you have to do is click on this expert advisors, right click on expert advisors and refresh. Once you refresh, you can see the EA is right there ready to trade. Okay, so let's just say that you want to strategy test it. All you have to do is go to view, strategy tester, and then you guys can see that the Skittles EA is right here. You can change the time frame which you want to test it, the symbols, right, Euro USD. Now, if your bot comes with a template, then you can go ahead and copy the template as well. My bot does come with a template, so here it is. It's the TPL file, and all you have to do is do the same thing you did with the bot, just copy and paste it into a different folder. So what you want to do is go ahead and copy this file, go back to your MT4, go back to the open data folder. Okay, and now this time it's going to be in the templates folder. Okay, so here's the templates folder. All you want to do is paste it here. It's right there, exit, and that's pretty much it. You can right click on any chart and just refresh, and then the templates is going to be there. Okay guys, so all right guys, so we can go ahead, click on visual mode and start the back test to see if it's working. You can see it is trading already. It already placed a buy and it is in profits. All right, you guys can see also the floating profits, $1,400. You can close out these trades whenever you want. The trailing stop is going to be there, and the bot is installed. You guys can see the bot is working and we're in floating profits. Okay, so now that the bot is working and you're doing your own back testing on a strategy tester, and if you guys are interested in this bot, you guys can also watch the video that I have on this bot. I'm going to put it right here so that you guys can go ahead and watch that. But if you are ready to start trading your bot on live accounts, what you would need to do is go to your symbols. Okay, so if there's a symbol here that you want to trade that you don't see, like an indice or anything, what you want to do is you want to right click on one of the symbols and then click on symbols. And then you guys can see Forex major pairs, cryptos, metals, energies, indices. All right, so US 30, all that will be here, and you can add that, right? And then next thing you know, boom, it's right here. Same thing with gold, it's all there. As long as you right click and you go to symbols, you'll find the pair that you want to use. Okay, so for example, if I want to use the bot on GBUSD, I would just go ahead and right click and open up a new chart. Okay, so right now, I know that different bots use different time frames to trade, but my bots usually use, the 1 minute, 5 minute, and the 15 minute, right? So all you want to do is you want to make sure that your chart is on whatever time frame you want the bot to trade on, right? For this example, it's going to be on a 5 minute time frame. I can always right click, right, and change the properties of the chart, right? Right click properties, or if you have a template, you can go ahead and choose a template and it will pop up just like so. Next thing that you need to do is we already have the auto trading on. We already have our settings right for our expert advisors. So all we have to do is drag our expert advisor
onto a chart, right? So we just drag the expert advisor. I'll do it again. You drag it, right? You see this little square right there? Just drag it on there, and then you can put in your settings, right? Now, if you have a set file that came with your bot, you can go ahead and load it up, and wherever that set file is, you will have to locate it on your computer and select it. I already have folders in my set file, so I would just find my folder and then click my set file, and all my settings will be in the set file, and okay. Okay, so now we have the Skittles EA. You see the little smiley face. When you see the smiley face right here, that means that the bot is on and it is actively looking for trades. If you have a frown face, that means that something is wrong with your settings. That means you probably need to go into the tools and settings and make sure that your expert advisor settings are like this so that it can trade for you. Okay, but it'll either say waiting for a tick, and once it finds a tick or whatever, it will say working. Look, just like that. Okay, so now it's working, and now your expert advisor is on, your bot is on. So this is pretty much it for the tutorial on how to set up your bot. More tutorials on how to use the tools on MT4 coming soon. More tutorials on how to mark up your charts on MT4. All of that is coming soon. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe this video so that you guys can get more value, guys.
So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. If you're someone out there who's just now getting started with expert advisors, make sure that you leave a like and you subscribe to this channel, because this is gonna be the channel that you go back to for all your tutorials. This is gonna be the channel that you go back to see, which bots is really hitting online right now. So make sure you leave a like, subscribe to this channel if you feel like you got some value, and also click the link in the description if you're interested in checking out any of my bots that's available for you guys to get the bag. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get to it.
Yo, Crino, this one heat.